Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can fix please check your connection error on Snapchat. Let's get started. For that, first of all, make sure your Wi-Fi or mobile data is working. You can try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to check if the issue is network related. Now toggle on airplane mode for a few seconds and then turn it off again to restart your network connection. After that, restart your iPhone. Restarting your device can help fix temporary glitches that may be causing the connection error. Now, after you do that, open the App Store. In the search bar, search for Snapchat. Once you search for it, simply tap onto it. Now, if this button says update instead of open, tap on update and let your application update to its latest version. Once you do that, head back to your home screen. Open up Snapchat application. Log into your account. Once logged in, tap on your profile icon. Then tap on the settings like icon. Then start your scroll below, tap on My Data and Privacy, then tap on Clear Data. Now tap on Clear Cache, then tap on Clear again. Once you have done that, restart your Snapchat. Now if the issue still persists, open up Settings, tap on General, scroll below, tap on Reset or Transfer iPhone, then tap on Reset. Now select Reset Network Settings. This will reset Wi-Fi password and network settings, so make sure you have them handy. After you do that, if the issue is still persists, you can long press on Snapchat, tap on Remove App, tap on Delete App, then tap on Delete again. Once deleted, visit the App Store again and just like that, reinstall the app. After following these steps, the please check your connection error should be resolved and you will be able to use Snapchat without any issues. That's it. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, leave a like and sub and I'll see you in the next one.